Hi, it's Demetria Dominique, the empowerment expert, here to talk about anxiety today. So, anxiety is a feeling that is a normal emotion that most of us have experienced at some point in our lives. Maybe a big test that's coming up, maybe an uncomfortable conversation, maybe something exciting can cause us anxiety. But when you have an anxiety condition, this is when those emotions, that same level of anxiety occurs frequently, where we're worried and we're stressed and anxious just all of the time. Okay. And so there are specific triggers for your anxiety, things that may happen that cause you to feel this way. Although it is a normal feeling, having this emotion excessively can be considered a condition. And you may want to talk to someone so that you can try to identify what is causing you to have frequent anxiety, what can prevent you from having anxiety attacks, which can be very severe. So anxiety, yes, this is a normal emotion, but frequent anxiety emotions and anxiety attacks are not normal, and that is when we want to have intervention. So it's said that depression is what happens when our body or our mind cannot move past something that has already happened to us, being stuck in the past, so to speak. And anxiety is a fear of the present or the future, rather something that may possibly happen, something that may not even be real, but we just have a fear of it occurring. Well, the exception to that rule would be in the event of trauma. So when we have a traumatic experience that occurs, our body will remember that traumatic incident. Even if our mind does not recall exactly what happened, our body will recall the emotions that were surrounding that incident, or the feeling, the physical feeling of it. And so it will hold on to that, and it will be captured in our brain. And so certain things can trigger that memory and in turn trigger our body to respond. So that's what happens when you have people with PTSD. The people have panic attacks and frequent anxiety attacks because their body recalls that traumatic experience that has occurred. So, like, there's a book called The Body Keeps the Score, and your body definitely remembers what has occurred to you. So, one of the key things in healing your trauma is being able to go back and recall exactly what happened and tapping into how your body felt, how your mind felt, addressing it head on so that you can then redirect those emotions, redirect that memory, redirect those physical feelings, and be able to heal in a better way. This is Demetria Dominique, the empowerment expert.